alias ini gue lagi ngereston. Gue lagi ngebuat video hari ini. Gue mau buat video Roblox dan gue ngebuatnya tuh tengah malam, bener-bener tengah malam. Ini nama game itu Duality Prologue. Gue belum pernah main dan gue cuma ngeliat ini katanya gamenya bagus lumayan, dan kita bakal coba hari ini. Gue bener-bener ngantuk. It was a reckless decision. I have to take so much responsibility now. I didn't think adulthood would be so difficult. But this is a decision that can't be undone. I just have to keep moving, right? Kaget gue. Kelas today. Oh, sampai. Objective: interact with people or things. Okay. This is my computer and something. Almost nanti gua sempat kebaca terus. It's my TV. I used to watch my favorite show here. Unfortunately, the show came to an end, so they stopped broadcasting it. I don't really find anything else interesting on TV these days except that show. Sofa, tempat tidur. That's my bed. I would really like to sleep some more, but I have to attend my class. Ini kok kayak dia ngomongnya kan ya, kita gitu. I text this when I first moved here. I met this stray cat and she seemed to really like me. I went outside every day to feed her. She was a really good companion too. One day she went missing. I got no clue what happened to her. This picture warms and hurt me at the same time, but at least I could cherish the memories. Damn. Ini bisa jalan lama kan karena tengah malam, dan gua jujur 1 jam kayaknya nggak bakal nonton sih, sejam penuh. Jadi ini bakal banyak bagian-bagian yang gua cut. Halo. Customized cream before work is always refreshing. Now strawberry or vanilla flavor. Okay, 1 out of 5. Howdy. Would you like to get anything? Just looking around. Alright, feel free to do so. Maybe there'll be something that would catch your eye. Texas. Internet nggak bisa. Jadi nih kelihatan, dan dari yang gue denger ya guys, ini tuh gamenya katanya yang benar itu tentang orang yang kayak introvert lah. Itu ke temen gue nggak tahu benar atau enggak. He seemed to focus on the book, to pay attention to anything else at the moment. It looked like she's reading a book. I haven't really read any books in a while. Just covered in dust in my house. Maybe I should start reading again. Nah, the CEO. Bisa bisa kita intercom. This is such of Billman. Thanks to him, we have places to live at. Ini kayaknya memang gini dah. Game itu ngomongnya ke kita, bukan ke gamenya sendiri. Ya, bukan 3 doang ya? Berarti orang coba dong. Atau thanks ya. Harus masuk. Dan katanya singkat gue game itu sejam lama, kira-kira lah. I wait for my coworkers to arrive. We are preparing materials for a show that will be performed by Cloak in a few weeks. He's a young rising star in our town, very good at acting and dancing. You shall visit the theater. You shall visit the theater the day of the show if you're interested. Okay, next door to the school. Okay, ini dia. Kaget gue. Gue ngantuk banget. Kayaknya suara gue ini gak kedengeran kebanyakannya. Yuri, finally, made it on time for once. Barely did. You caught the sunrise earlier? It was like really pink. No, not really. I woke up late. You sleepyhead as usual. Have you at least done your homework this time? I mean, if not, then you might as well just copy it from Dave. Hey! I mean, yeah, I guess I could just let you borrow my textbook. Anyway, you just come skate with us someday. Sunrise look great from the rail. I'm not a skater though. That's fine. Bring your camera. You take photos a lot. Maybe. I'll see if I got free time soon, I guess. Alright. Let's get to the class. Don't want the teach to have another lecture cause all 3 of us are late again. Today weren't too bad, but I hate how much homework they give us. I'm still thinking about the text offer earlier. Should I really come with them? Every time I went with someone for once, it usually felt really awkward. I lied about possibly not having time. I just kind of backed away. But maybe it wouldn't be so bad if I come this time, would it? Right. I need to go to the grocery store to get something to eat. Oke, take grocery store di situ. Oke, agak spoiler dikit. Oh begitu banget ya, seinget gue. Kata orang itu abis ini dia tuh bakal gak dengerin, dia tuh diomongin sama teman-temannya, yang Zack sama Dave. Tapi gue gak tau bener atau enggak ya. Ya gue aja belum main. Tapi seharusnya ada di ini siapa? Halo bang, Bob. My mom said I look so retro. What? Nggak tuh. Siapa? Nakal bener. Oh, Zack and Dave. Zack and Dave are here too. I wonder what are they buying. Probably snacks. Should I walk up and say hi? Wait, I just heard my name. What are they talking about? Cuy, belibet gue ngomongnya. What about him? Well, I mean, maybe you shouldn't have invited him to the skate with us. I think he's just gonna make everything awkward. Can't really stand him outside school, you know. You think people look weird at us for going out with him? Yeah, you know how everyone calling him weird. What? What are they saying? Fair enough. Don't want to ruin the reputation, huh? Just don't want to get called weird because going out with a weirdo. Tanya. I mean, this guy probably wouldn't come with us anyway. You know his social anxiety or whatever. He's lucky we feel bad enough to not let people in school get a little ahead of his. Yeah, true. Dude, I think those chips aren't in stock today. Wanna get some ice cream instead? I need to get out. Oke, gua nggak bisa voicingnya beda-beda. Gua lagi ganti. Itu gua sebenarnya nge-recording ini takutnya tiba-tiba aja recordingnya kena cut, soalnya gua kayaknya emang kurang storage-nya di HP ini. Ya karena kalian nggak like dan subscribe. Tapi beneran, like, subscribe dan share biar gue termotivasi untuk buat video-video kayak gini lagi. Dan ya juga biar gue bisa buat video yang lebih bagus. Banyak terkadang video kayak gini tuh potong jadi 2. Cuma gara-gara gue ngacok storage capeknya. I can't believe they just want, this is really how they see me, and they cover it up by feeling bad for me. That sounds ridiculous, like a fever dream. They offered to be friends with me since my first day at school. What happened? Did they not like me from the start? Am I that pathetic? I need to get some sleep to clear up my mind. What is this? I don't think I've ever seen this place before. Oh, London. Oh, I should take that lantern to see in the dark. Oke. Part ini gak bakal gue skip atau gue cepetin. Paling gue cepetin. Tapi kayaknya gak sih. This place, it feels like I've been here many times before. But what is this unsettling feeling in my chest? Should I really keep following this path? I can't stop. As if I don't have control over my body. Then, I can't see so many flowers around so clearly in the dark. I love to collect flowers and bring them home in my childhood. I even wanted to grow a garden. My own garden. Where did I wish to go? Wait, is that one? Someone else in here. Is here. Katanya tuh ini tuh gimana sebenarnya sejam panjang ya. Dan kayaknya emang dari kalian nggak bakal banyak nonton penuh sini siapa. Jadi kebanyakan ini bakal gue potong-potong sih, kebanyakan, atau gue cepetin. It's on the bench. Is someone here? It's so dark and scary here. I can't see anything. That voice. You must know what this place is. It looks familiar, but I'm not sure where are we exactly. I see. My name is Soul. You don't need to introduce yourself. I already know. It was so terrifying being here all by myself. Something must happen that brought me here. Something similar that happened in the past. In the past? Your past, Ree. You've dealt with this before, and it's okay. I found this field of flowers earlier. It was bright here, sunny, beautiful, but then something suddenly snapped, and everything was brought into darkness. I could only see a path that led forward, so I tried to follow it. But as further I went, as darker it grew. I got lost, so I didn't have a choice but to stay here until you arrived. You can still see, Ree. If you reach the end of this path, something might wait for you. Something that I hope would get us out of here. You should continue walking. There's not much time left. Believe in you. Okay. Tapi ini walaupun kayak apa? Nggak tahu sih panggilannya. I did not expect sama tuh bir. Agak-agak kayak bagus sih bisa grafiknya, tapi walaupun apa baik tapi decent gitu lah, lumayan tengah-tengah. Tapi dari feeling itu jadi gila bagus. I've been working for quite a while now. What's that? Oh. Okay. Iya, mata. Uy. Piano. Piano mo naman. Jangan-jangan. I used to play the piano before. My dad used to play it well. He was really good at it until he passed away. Oh. Everything became a disaster after the incident. My mother became a completely different person. She changed forever. She would start yelling at me. She didn't want me to talk to her at all. I kept telling myself that it's fine. She's grieving. It'll pass soon, and we will get through this together. It didn't get better. It only got worse. It led to violence, even for things I never did. She even broke the piano that me and Dad used to play. But sometimes, I still think about one of the memories was my dad. When I was little, I was afraid of thunderstorms. Berarti jangan-jangan itu yang bright, gelap, itu gara-gara bapaknya itu meninggal, guys. Kasihan. It was late. My dad found me crying in my bed during a thunderstorm. He took my hand, led me downstairs. He reminded me of my piano lessons and sat me down at the piano. He stood next to me and brought his hands to the piano and started playing a melody I've never heard before. The melody sounded wonderful, peaceful. The tears that were still gathering in my eyes faded, and I wiped the rest of my tears on her face. She suggested that I learn to play his melody. I began trying to learn it, and when I finally done it, it's already midnight. But for some reason, I didn't feel afraid of thunderstorm anymore. It was just fading into the background noise without me noticing. He said that she's proud of me. I smiled carefree and played the melody one more time. And after all of that, I was able to sleep peacefully that night. 20 menit. Your body does not feel tense anymore. You feel peaceful. What is this place? Hah? Ini katanya game sejam panjang, tapi gue gak tau sih ya atau enggak. Tapi kalau ini pasti ada banyak cut sama apa fast forwardnya pan. Deh, gue ini emang ngeklik sengaja ya mas. Ini pan. This fragment, this place. What do you think it is really? If you keep walking forward, you might get lost. Because no matter how much you try to look into your internal issues, you only lose. Will you get anything out of it this time? Can I? Ups, kosong aja. Jadi kayak memori dia gitu ya. What is this spot? You used to play here by yourself back when you were a child. You loved to explore abandoned places too, but then you stopped because you lost interest for some reason. Do you remember? Ada swing, ada bench. Bisa enter kayak pohon. Nggak bisa. Ini apa? Nggak bisa. Are you ready to explore this place further? Ini kayak memori dia gitu ya. Memori dia pas masih kecil. Dorong kah? Oh. Oke. Ini agak weird tapi dari tadi tuh game tentang si Rui ini mbak masalah dia gitu kayak social anxiety sendiri, keluarganya kenapa-napa apa, dan sekarang kita disuruh apa namanya, parkour. Oh, kita kasih lompat. Pop. Lah. Oh. Dan sekarang kita nyuruh ngerjain puzzle kayak memorinya yang hilang kali ya. Oh, kita harus ke Wih. Wih. Bisa langsung juga. Wih. Bisa dong. Wih. Wih. Ini kayak memori dia masa kecil. Oh, kebuka kitnya. Kita harus taruh ini di yang masih reset cube. Jadi stool nyangkut kali ya. Oke, software kita masih bagus sih. Seru-seru aja. Ini gue kayak terus kalau apa gelap. Apa? Lah. Kok di dalam ini? Kayak penjara gitu. Bukan penjara. Waktu identical sign. Hah? Ini gue jalannya gimana? Sign. Nih. Hah? Ya kah? Bentar. Gunung. Ini kah? Mana yang rumah? Kita waktu identical sign atau yang unidentical? Identical kayak identical kayak. Yang ini apaan? Ini apaan? Kucing. Bukan kucing lah. Kok nggak zoom? Yang mata. Tidak. Hampir. Ya, dan ini juga mau ngomong. Ini recordnya kata ke malam ya, tapi gue pasti kayak kemungkinan gue posting itu agak kayak siang gitu. Soalnya gue juga harus ngedit dikit, kayak skipnya, ada yang cut. Nah, I keep thinking about the earlier incident. Oh, they really meant it, didn't they? Like everyone else, they just think I'm weird without really getting to know me. I can't even normally communicate with people. Ini terakhir aku makin lama. Ini menurut gua doang atau makin gelap lama-lama? Dan dijawab, because I'm not, I can't understand myself, vulnerable and upset. Just, why am I like this? What is wrong with me? Why can't I just be more confident, happier, more honest? Why? Harus maju. Oke, itu jam sekarang agak serem. Did you see it? Huh? See what? What, they all betray you? There is only one reason and you know it. It's my fault. It's your fault. Masa gua ngapain? What a terrible dream. God. And Domini. School sucks. Oh, ding. Ini kenapa sih Rui? Pusing kah? Sakit kah? And I need to know. Kok hilang? That was terrible. I didn't expect an entire anxiety attack to happen right there. Oh, I'm always thinking too much. Udah 30 menit. Just go home. Oke, teleport. Itu gue nggak tahu sih kelihatan apa atau enggak, tapi gue berhenti karena gue ngeliatin dua nih. Kok gitu? Calm down. I need to calm down. Yes, calm down. It's fine. I just need to. It'll be okay. Good. I don't know. Yeah, come on. Okay, second. Please. Anxiety attack. Lagi kah? Ini gue recordingnya kira-kira kalian full sejam lah. Dan pasti ini kayaknya yang di-cut, ada yang dicepetin biar nggak sejam, tapi gue nggak tahu bakal itu atau nggak sejam. Take room, memory lane. Why do you grow here? Many flowers. Oh, they're beautiful, are they not? Every flower has its own fragile but wonderful symbolism in many different cultures. For example, this one symbolizes new beginning as rebirth. Wow, I didn't know that. She was like a flower, a seed blooming in my violent storm, a vivid petal to cling onto as the floor swept by. But kok jadi gelap? Atau jangan-jangan itu pas bapaknya ini berarti pas bapaknya itu apa meninggal, ibunya itu masih gitu seremnya ngancurin bunganya kayaknya. Mobil temannya kah? Who is this? Oh bang, that was close call. Try to look both sides next time, eh? Need a hand? Name's Andy, by the way. Berarti selamatin ya semua orang. So, your name? Oh, it's Rui. Sorry, I just zoned out. Hey, it's fine. Good thing that I was around to save the day, am I right? Well, you really don't look well, Rui. Did you eat today? Or yesterday? So I'm pushing into personal space all of a sudden. Okay, let me ask you something else. Are you from senior class? You look my age, and I've been just wondering. I mean, I'm from one of the senior classes. Oh, that's amazing. Means that I don't think I've seen you before. Maybe you just didn't catch my eye here. I just skip school sometimes, that's all. And it hasn't been long since I moved to this neighborhood. Oh, that makes a ton of sense now. Well, I'm guessing you know things around here right now, right? Listen, I've been heading from my own to that restaurant place behind us. You know, it's kind of weird to ask since we just met, but maybe we could eat together? No pressure though. I just think you really should eat something. What's my badannya? Do you like pizza? I could order another large pizza and split it between us. My treat. I think about the taste. But like I said, no pressure, pal. It's all up to you. I really just like talking to strangers. But he looks actually genuine. But can I really trust anyone anymore? Yet there's a small part of me that's saying yes to the offer. I really am starving, ain't I? Usually I decline the offer, but this time something tells me otherwise. I don't know what to do. I can barely feel anything. Accepting the offer will probably make me look desperate. Okay, yeah, I do feel a little hungry. And thanks for saving me back there. It's Andy. Okay, cool. We could get to know each other over sharing a pizza. Sorry, I'm a little excited when I get to know a new people around my age. So should we hit the restaurant now? And here we are. Seems like quite hour here. At least no one would bother, I suppose. True. So, what kind of pizza do you like? Let just order something standard, I guess. Fair. Pepperoni it is then. Every time you try this pizza, it's like you're trying it for the first time. So, Rui, how long have you been around here? Like 2 months? The pizza is good, by the way. 2 months? Have you explored the town yet? Outside of the neighborhood? I mean, no, not yet. I just didn't catch an opportunity yet. Really? Well, I hope there will be an opportunity for you soon. I can recommend a few places to check out if you're prepared to visit the town someday. Maybe. Thanks. Well, since you've been around for a little while, must know some people around here. Not really. Well, I know some people. But, guys, bentar gua ngecas dulu. Kalian. It's not easy to it's not easy to connect with them. I think they just don't like the new people here. Or maybe I'm just the problem. No. Well, to me, you look genuinely like a nice person. I'm sorry you had a bad experience here. Udah guys, gue mau ngambil kursi dulu. But I assure you, most of us here definitely don't need any harm. Okay, how about prove it to you? We can walk around blocks someday, get to know each other better, talk some people, eat some food, maybe watch something at the theater even. You see this place on the other side of the coin. So, what do you say? Hang out. I'm free tomorrow, since it's weekend. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, cool. Thanks. So much for agreeing. Thank you so much for agreeing. Tomorrow then it is. I'll try my best to make it time worth it. Here, take my number. That way we could contact each other. Alright. Now, let's enjoy the pizza, shall we? The theater is an amazing place to visit. So, huh? Speaking of the devil, saw you tongue such a look on your face. Well, meet my disaster friend, Cloak. A disaster? Say you, Buckethead. So, there's something on your head. Cloak, go easy on him. What? You think this guy can take a victory? Any fan of Andy is my ally. So consider it your official welcome to our group. Bukannya Cloak yang mau perform ya? Still looking like a deer on the road, huh? What did you do to him one day? That's the problem, silly head. You can't just be sincere all the time. That's how your wallet gets stolen. Sometimes you gotta decorate all with spectacle, which my job, by the way. Alright, dear. Lesson 1. Lesson number 1 from the disaster friend. Life's a stage. If you feel like everybody's staring at you, keep they're your audience. Oh boy, here we go. Hey, I'm entering here. And if you mess with your audience a little, well, it'd be more fun that way. Alright. Alright, I'll spare you this time. Anyway, where was I? The theater. You know, Cloak is actually amazing on the stage when he doesn't trip over props, of course. It was only one time. The spotlight was on my eye. Excuses. Tomorrow though, we could just go for a movie if you like, Larry. Here we go. His friendship plans already rolling out. What's on the list? Phase 1. Getting to know each other. Phase 2. Moving theater. Phase 3. Jumping on the sunshine and rainbows. And one more lesson. Don't trust everything Andy says about his plans. The last pen ended up with us both locked up in the basement until nighttime. Kamu sejam ya. Ya. Ini kalian yang baca ya guys. Gua tenggorokannya kalian banget. Belum minum dari tadi. Ini malah jangan lupa. Ini kita tuh ngapain? Ke theater kah? Oh, maybe if it soon hurt. Ini siapa? Lemonade. Hello neighbor. You look like you just came from an entire adventure today. Feeling well? Yeah, actually. What are you doing if I may ask? I put the book about flowers today, and it inspired me to grow them around my house. What do you think about this? Me? I mean, it sounds nice, I guess. Right? I think it'd be a pretty spark to my house. Mana flower? Masa gitu lagi sepertinya. Phew. I was getting overstimulated back there. I felt like legs are going to give up any moment from anxiety. I'm not used to such attention from some strangers, but it wasn't so bad, and he treated me so nicely. No one has ever done that for me before. I kept thinking that this was some sort of prank until the end, but nothing malicious happened. And his friend, Cloak, is that what his name was? I'm not sure how to feel about him yet. He didn't seem like he was going to hurt me in any way, but in the back of my mind, I felt like I was getting made fun of, even if I probably wasn't. It just reminded me how much fun people were making of me. I mean, my old school, they keep pranking me, they keep laughing at me. But on the other side, underneath all that anxiety, I had to hold a small laugh as I banter. I wish I had friends like this. They looked genuinely happy and they looked like they had lots of memory together. I just wish that I could have real friends. And he said I could contact him. Maybe we could hang out in the future. But I don't know if I'm really ready for this. I'm really anxious and lightheaded as I think about it. Why would he want a friend like me? What is it that caught his eye? Won't it they're all just pretending to be nice? I could just continue to isolate myself here. It feels safer and comforting, but this could also be my last shot. I I need to rest for a while. My brain feels like a mess right now. Lah, lo kenapa nangis? Dah, nyimpan. As you approach, something in your chest resonates within. You set your worries aside and give in. Wait, selesai kali gitu ya? Sebenernya tuh ending gini dah. Nah, iya ending. Gila sejaman gue recordingnya. You finally made it. I was starting to wonder if you'd come to see this place. Ini kayaknya kalau gue potong-potong juga masih kayak ada 40 menitan, 50 menitan lah. It's so empty here. Indeed. But this place lets you breathe for once. Everything you've been through. After everything you've been through. This doesn't change anything. I'll just end up going back. Like I always do. It doesn't have to change anything. It just has to be here. I know you're tired. I can feel it all. The weight of every word, every action, every look. This place, it's a possibility, Ree. Selesai kah? Atau masih lanjut? It wasn't so bad. I slept better than I have in a long time. I think I know what to do now. Selesai. You got a notification coming from your phone. Do you want to check it out? Finally. Endingnya. New message to only 20 characters. You can support this project. Thank you for playing. Probably this is my first time making this type of games. I'm sorry my story. Ini kalau kamu baca, silahkan baca. Gila, bagus banget sih. Itu gue rekomen gue. Jadi segitu ya dari ini. Dan gue tuh ada satu message seperti situ. Sesering kalian dibully, sebanyak kalian merasa rendah, serendah apapun kalian, masih ada yang lebih rendah dari itu. Dan banyak dari mereka yang bisa kembali berdiri. Jangan putus asa, itu yang mereka mau. Kalau kalian pengen buat orang yang ngebully kalian atau yang ngata-ngatain kalian tuh senang, silahkan menyerah. Tapi kata gue, jangan kayak si Rui. Dia bertahan cukup lama pas dia dan ujung-ujungnya dia ketemu orang yang membantu dia. So thank you guys for watching. Gue harap gue nemu kalian di video selanjutnya. Bye. What is the child doing here? Wandering so far away from the town all by himself. Are you lost? So you look exhausted.